link in the description. Don't skip the video and keep watching the whole video. Then you will get the password. Install after extracting. Quality improvements. Enable all. Feed and stories. Enable 60-second stories. Developer mode. Enable it. Restart the app. First, let's check the emojis and fonts. 𝐬𝐽 style font. iPhone emoji will only work in font number 2. Follow my next method if the new emoji doesn't work on your device. Hold tap on home icon. Search emoji. Scroll down. Enable it. Type 0. Restart the app. If you follow this method, then the new emoji will work on your Instagram. Hold tap on home icon. Clips video sticker. Enable all. iOS style round edge. If you want timer, then follow the next method. Hold tap on home icon. Disable all. Search branding. Enable all of Explore. iOS style timer. Now add round edge. Edges link in the description. App password 19. Get note feature. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. See ya.